Germany significantly bolstered its military support to Ukraine by delivering a variety of state-of-the-art equipment, including unmanned ground vehicles (UGVs), drones, and munitions. The addition of 30 Gereon RCS UGVs, produced by ARX Robotics, marks a pivotal step in enhancing Ukraine's defense capabilities. These robots are equipped to handle diverse military tasks, such as logistics, reconnaissance, and casualty evacuation. The delivery, funded by the German government, is set to be completed by the end of the year. ARX Robotics, the company behind the Gereon RCS, is not just providing the equipment. They are also committed to establishing a technology and maintenance center in Ukraine. This will facilitate platform adaptation, ongoing maintenance, and collaboration with local engineers and startups. With this initiative, Ukraine's defense forces will benefit from improved integration of robotic systems, ensuring long-term sustainability in the field. The Gereon RCS, a tracked platform with a remarkable payload capacity of 500 kilograms, is designed to carry out autonomous missions across a range of 40 kilometers. Its modular design allows for versatility, with different versions like the Gereon ATR, a light armored target carrier, and the Gereon 3, a multi-purpose platform that can accommodate sensors or drones. These systems have undergone rigorous testing in NATO exercises and have proven effective in logistics, surveillance, and casualty evacuation operations. The technology is built for seamless transportability, allowing it to be integrated into mobile military units without hindering their mobility. Germany's push for automation in defense operations is also reflected in the integration of AI-powered systems. The Gereon RCS UGVs are capable of performing autonomous logistics and casualty evacuation tasks, which significantly reduces the need for personnel in high-risk areas. Moreover, ARX Robotics is working to integrate Ukrainian-made turrets into these platforms, enhancing their offensive capabilities. The robots utilize various communication technologies, including Silvus Radio 4G per 5G networks, and Starlink, ensuring continuous connectivity in even the most remote environments. In addition to the German contribution, Ukraine has been increasingly incorporating UGVs into its military operations. These unmanned vehicles have become invaluable for reconnaissance, logistics, and combat missions. Notably, Ukrainian forces utilized ground robots and drones in December 2024 for a strike on Russian positions without endangering personnel. UGVs have been utilized not only for reconnaissance but also for offensive operations. Some UGVs are equipped with explosive payloads to target enemy vehicles, while others are armed with remote-controlled machine guns for engaging enemy positions. Ukraine's growing fleet of UGVs now includes both foreign-supplied and domestically produced models. The Milrem Themis, a tracked UGV from Estonia, has been deployed since 2022, providing support in cargo transport, casualty evacuation, and route clearance missions. Additionally, Ukraine's domestic defense sector, supported by initiatives like the Brave One Innovation Program, has introduced several combat-ready UGVs. These include the Ironclad and D-21 armored robots, which are armed with turret-mounted machine guns, as well as smaller UGVs like the Radal S, which are designed for offensive operations. As demand for UGVs grows, production capacities are ramping up both locally and internationally. Ukrainian manufacturers are stepping up to meet the military's needs, with thousands of ground drones procured in 2024 and many more expected to be delivered in 2025. The Ukrainian government's support for these technologies is part of a larger strategy to expand the use of unmanned systems across various military operations. This includes not just combat and reconnaissance, but also engineering and logistical support roles. With this surge in UGV deployments, Ukraine has established a dedicated unmanned systems force and integrated robotic units into its brigades. As the production of UGVs continues to increase, these unmanned systems will play an essential role in Ukraine's defense, reducing casualties and enhancing operational efficiency. Germany's ongoing military support, alongside Ukraine's increasing use of unmanned systems, marks a significant step forward in modernizing and automating defense capabilities, offering new opportunities to safeguard Ukrainian sovereignty.